Oh, so I've just had the delivery and VeVe, and it's got my name on it. So I'm assuming it's my level 100 trophy because unfortunately, due to a lot of things going on in the family, I didn't get to meet everybody in London this year. So I don't want to cut my name and the VeVe stickers, so I shall go underneath and go in this way. So, so I'm now doing it upside down, but little briefcase. It's got VeVe written on it. So, right then. Now let's see. Oh, I can open it. Oh, wow. And it's got David and Dan's signatures. Oh, wow. So I'm going to take this out of the box now. Oh my, it's heavy. I'm glad I don't have to take it. So I've got me a collector's at heart. So, and yes. So I'll have to redeem that and see what number I get in a minute. Making sure I don't show that. But wow, thank you so much to VeVe, and sorry I didn't get to come to London to come and get it in person, and I'm sorry I didn't get to meet everybody from the VeVe fam in person, which, yeah, I really wish I could have. But wow, thank you so much, David and Dan. Yeah, in memory of my dad. Thank you.